Hello friends. Before we talk about cement, steel or site measurements, we must understand the law of the land. In the Indian Railways, we follow Indian Contract Act 1872. Paragraph 1201 tells us that a contract isn't just a signed paper. It is a legal obligation. To make it valid, four things must be happen. Free consent. No one is being forced. Competence. The person signing must be legally allowed to do so. Lawful consideration. There must be a payment involved. Lawful object. We cannot sign a contract for something illegal. In our department, everything must be in writing and properly witnessed. If it is not in writing, in eyes of the railway, it does not exist. The role of the contractor. Now, why do we use contractors? Para 1202 explains that we use agencies when it is economical or faster. As engineers, we should know that the railway usually provides critical materials like cement and steel because we need to ensure high quality. However, in an emergency like a bridge washout or a track failure, the chief engineer has special power to ask a contractor to arrange these materials directly to save time. This is vital tool for keeping our lines open. Classification of works. We categorize our engineering work into three main groups under Para 1203. Zone works. These are everyday jobs, small repairs and maintenance in a specific area. Special works. These are the big projects, building a station building, a major bridge or an embankment. Supplies. Sometimes we just need the raw ingredients like bricks, sand or stone chips that aren't kept in our regular stores. Remember, these are all works contracts. They are managed by us in engineering department, not the stores department. Big three forms of contract. This is the most important part of your exams or your daily work. There are three primary ways we structure a contract: lump sum, schedule, and piecework. Each has a different way of calculating how much the contractor gets paid. Lump sum contract. Think of a lump sum contract as a package deal. The contractor agrees to finish the whole job for one fixed price. If the contractor completes the work according to the plan, they get the full amount. The risk is on the contractor. If they use more material than they planned, the price stays the same. However, if the railway changes the design halfway through, we use pre-agreed rates to adjust that total price up or down. Schedule contracts. The schedule contract is what you will see 90% of the time in the engineering department. Here, we cannot fix the total price at the start. We fix the unit rates. For example, we agree at a rate per cubic meter of concrete. At the end of the month, we measure exactly how much concrete was poured in the measurement book. Total payment equal to actual quantity into unit rate. This is a fair for both sides because the contractor is paid for exactly what they execute on the ground. Piecework contracts. A piecework contract is a bit different. We agree on the rates, but we do not commit to a total quantity of work or a specific deadline. It is like having a mechanic on call. We give them work orders as needed. The railway has the right to stop giving work if the progress is slow, and the contractor cannot claim for more work than what is in the specific order. Our zonal contracts actually fall under this category. Zonal contracts. Finally, let us talk about the zonal contractor. Every year, from the 1st July to 13th June, we appoint one contractor for a specific geographic zone. They handle all ordinary repairs and any new small works as long as each job is below 5 lakh. This system is great because we do not have to call for a new tender every time a toilet needs repairing or a wall needs painting. It keeps our quarters and stations maintained year round. Okay, thank you.